In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Nike account. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or just getting started with Nike's online experience, understanding how to access your account effortlessly can make all the difference. So let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can log in with ease and confidence. First things first, open your favorite web browser on your computer or mobile device. You'll want to visit the official Nike website. Simply enter the URL www.nike.ai and home into your browser's address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the home page where you'll find the latest in Nike's collections, products, and much more. Now, once you're on the Nike homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll notice a sign in option. Go ahead and click on it. This action will take you to the login page, which is your gateway to accessing all your account details, order history, and more. Once you've arrived at the login page, you'll see fields for your email and password. In the email field, type in the email address associated with your Nike account. Double check to ensure there are no typos, as this verifies your identity. Then move on to the password field and carefully enter your password. This step is crucial for security reasons, so if you're unsure, you might want to use a password manager or check your saved passwords. After you've entered these details, take a moment to review them for accuracy. It's always a good idea to make sure everything is correct before moving forward. Once you're confident that everything is as it should be, look for the confirm button on the page. Clicking this button will log you into your Nike account so you can start exploring everything you love, from new releases to exclusive promotions. And that's really all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be accessing your Nike account in no time, ready to make the most of what Nike has to offer. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. If you find yourself having trouble logging in, double check your email and password for any mistakes. If need be, use the forgot password link to reset your credentials securely. That's it. You're now ready to log in smoothly and start your Nike shopping experience. Thanks for joining me today and happy shopping.